In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Softr. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly what to expect and which option is best for you. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Softr website at softr.io. On the homepage, look for the sign in button, usually at the top right. Click that and you'll be taken to the Softr Studio sign-in page. Here, you'll see a few ways to log in. You can sign in with Google, use single sign-on if your company has it set up, or enter your email and password. Pick the method that matches how your account was created. If you're part of an organization, SO might be the right choice. If you originally used a Google account, stick with that for a smoother experience. And if you prefer the classic route, email and password works just fine. If you're using email and password, type your email address carefully, then enter your password. Take a moment to check for typos and make sure caps lock isn't on. Using a password manager can help you fill this in accurately. When you're ready, click sign in and the system will authenticate you and take you into your workspace. If your company uses single sign-on, choose the SSO option. This hands the sign-in process over to your organization's identity provider, so you'll simply follow the familiar prompts from your company's system. It's secure and keeps your work credentials in one place. For many users, the quickest method is Google. Click Sign In with Google. For now, that's the option we'll use in this walkthrough. Your browser will open Google's account chooser. Select the Google account you use with Softr. If you're already logged into multiple accounts, make sure you pick the one that's linked to your Softr projects to avoid confusion. Once selected, Google will complete the sign-in and return you to Softr Studio. After you're signed in, you'll land in your Softr dashboard. From here, you can jump straight into building or managing your apps. If something doesn't work as expected, the most common cause is using a different email or Google account than the one you originally used to create your Softr account. Switching to the correct account typically resolves it. That's it. You've successfully logged into Softr using the method that suits you best. Thanks for watching and enjoy building with Softr.